Good morning, dear students. Today we will start lesson number 1, Heritage of India, some remaining part. Before 2 or 3 days, we complete our ideas where nature lover and natural elements. Now we will start our remaining unit. In due course of time, some religious ceremonies like registration of Vedas, performing Yagnadi, and other activities became prevalent in India. Now start. There was a fine amalgamation. Amalgamation means mixing, to mix of those tribes, those who come of via Balochistan or other countries, other side. The specific style of living and harmonious means mixing culture was formed, which gave India a glorious and prosperous heritage. This foreigner and Indian tribes amalgamate means mixing in such way over a long period of time that they lost their individual means personal, private identity through intercaste marriage. Outsider and local people were greatly influenced means affected by language, script, name, and religious belief, etc. played a vital role in Indianizing these foreigners. Means these foreigners, they change lives, they want to become an Indian. Since ancient times means our ancestors' times, a composite culture has been created in India. They all them become Indians who foreigners and tribe, those who came via Balochistan and other countries. They all became Indians. In short, in ancient India, the amalgamations of various cultures enriched Indian culture by making a variegated and prosperous. Variegated means different. Now, last topic is preservation and conservation our heritage. It is our duty. It is compulsory to preserve and conservation our heritage. Without heritage, we are nothing, dear students. Each aspect of Indian heritage made India eye-catching, picturesque, and attractive. Heritage brought glory to the nation. Any country, India attained a leading positions in the world by keeping its rich heritage protected and preserved. Thus, it is the primary and pious duty of every citizen of India to see that nobody harms an ancient memorials and also preserve place having historical importance and values in our constitutions, rules and regulations. The fundamental duties of Indian citizens are mentioned in Article 51. In that 6, 7 and 9 describe the following duties for preservation of our cultural heritage. They are given below. To understand the importance of our harmonious culture, prosperity, and to preserve it, maintain the forests, tanks, rivers, ponds, and the wild animals and birds, along with maintaining the natural environment, and to show compassion for all the living creatures. The protections of public property and giving up violence are also included. Nature has created a beautiful landscape. We should maintain the purity, sanctity, and beauty of these places, considering it to be our moral duty. The Indian heritage is an outcome of the development of the people. India, over a long period of time, nature has generously donated abundant means a lot of prosperity of India. India achieved invaluable opportunities in all the fields for gradual development due to India's peculiar nature structure. Peculiar means personal. In this way, the Indian heritage is a result of the development of the people of India in the social, economical, political, and cultural fields over a period of thousands of years. So dear students, here we complete our unit number 1 exercise. I will be send you some question and answer. It is compulsory to write in your notebook. I will send only one detailed answer, long answer, okay? One word or short answer I will not give you. So today I will send you question and answer, okay? Thank you.